Small business AI without hiring staff. A messy CRM does not just look bad. It makes the team stop trusting the system. Here's the problem. The lead came in. Nobody replied fast enough. That customer moved on. For sales-led small businesses, that means duplicate records, stale leads, and missing next steps, not because the team doesn't care. Usually they're just busy. This is where a simple AI workflow helps. First, it catches the trigger, a call, a form, a message, or an email. Then it figures out what the customer needs and how urgent it is. Next, it sends the lead to the right place, sales, admin, the owner, or a follow-up queue. Finally, it drafts the next step so a human can review it and move quickly. For this episode, the workflow is CRM cleanup. Imagine a sales-led small business getting calls while the team is with customers. The system spots the missed call, sends a fast reply, and creates the next task. The team stays in control, but they're not starting from zero every time. A DGX pilot would start small. One bottleneck, one workflow, one clear metric. Did response time improve? Were more inquiries recovered? Did the team save admin time? That's what matters. If you want to try the free DGX tools, go to dgxai.app/tools. And if you want help piloting this in a real business, go to dgxai.app/pilot. Start with one workflow, make it reliable.